Kurinji Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
Free bus for LKG to 8th standard.
Free, hygienic and nutritious food.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
Kurinji Education Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurinjischoolnkl.in.
In this session, we will be continue remaining preparation methods of aldehydes and ketone part 3. Already in my previous last two videos, already I completed some important preparation methods of the aldehyde and ketone. Already I told in previous class, preparation methods of aldehydes and ketones are very important in NEET level, JEE mains and advanced even board level also. So my dear student, every students are seriously focused, do more practice all preparation methods of aldehydes and ketones. Now in this session, first one, 10th preparation method from acid chloride. From acid chloride, this is commonly named is Rosemond reduction, named reaction. Rosemond reduction process. In this process, only prepared for aldehyde. Only aldehydes are prepared. So underline this point. From acid chloride, named reaction is a Rosemond reaction and Rosemond reduction reaction, and only for aldehydes are prepared. See here in the statement point of view, acid chloride can be reduced into aldehyde with hydrogen in boiling of xylene using palladium or platinum as a catalyst and supported on barium sulfate. This reaction is called Rosemond reduction reaction. My dear student, important point, ketones cannot be prepared by this method. So in this Rosemond reduction, only preparations of aldehyde, what kind of the combination? Acid chloride can be reduced into aldehyde. Acid chloride can be reduced into aldehyde with help of hydrogen in the boiling xylene using palladium or platinum catalyst supported on barium sulfate. So this is the Rosemond reduction process, the preparation of the aldehyde. See now here in this equation, acetyl chloride, CH3CCl double bond O, acetyl chloride combined with hydrogen, boiling of xylene and catalyst either palladium or platinum and in the supported of barium sulfate. These are the optimum conditions, very important. Acetyl chloride whenever treated with hydrogen, these are the optimum condition. What is the optimum condition? Boiling xylene and palladium or platinum and barium sulfate, or sometimes sulfur is also used, barium sulfate or sulfur. Hence what happened? Acetaldehyde is formed. Additionally, hydrogen chloride also released. This is the Rosemond reduction. In the Rosemond reduction, aldehydes only prepared. Ketone does not prepared in the Rosemond reduction process. And see one more example. Benzyl chloride. This is the benzyl chloride. In the presence of hydrogen, same optimum condition. What are the optimum condition right now here? Palladium, barium sulfate and boiling xylene. Now benzaldehyde is formed. Now benzaldehyde is formed, and in this equation one important note is there. The catalyst is poisonized to small extent by the addition of the sulfur or quinoline to prevent further reduction of aldehyde to alcohol. So here if the using sulfur, definitely what are the product is obtained here in this process, that slightly actually poisonized, small poisonized. So that's why this process is very important process whenever you prepare aldehyde in the laboratories. Okay ma'am? An important point one is formaldehyde cannot be prepared by this method. Write down, formaldehyde cannot be prepared in this method, and ketone cannot be prepared in this method. Formaldehyde from aldehyde group, it's not prepared, and similarly ketones also not prepared through the Rosemond reduction process. Through the Rosemond reduction process. Now here, in case of important key point, ketone, see note, ketone can be prepared by the action of dialkyl cadmium or lithium dialkyl cuprate. For example, in Rosemond process, ketone does not prepared. Maybe you will prepare means what is the combination? If you prepare the ketone, what is the combination? See here, ketone can be prepared by the action of dialkyl cadmium, important Nana, dialkyl cadmium or lithium dialkyl cuprate. This formula name is R2CuLi. Actually, lithium dialkyl cuprate are commonly known as the Gilman reagent. So what is the Gilman reagent? See this one, lithium dialkyl cuprate. If the lithium dialkyl cuprates are used, definitely easily to prepare the ketone. Now important point, my dear students, here in the above equation ketones are not possible, but here acid chloride, listen carefully, acid chloride reacted with either dialkyl cadmium or Gilman reagent easily to prepare the ketone. See, this is the general representation equation, 2RCOCl, this is acid chloride, and R2CD means here dialkyl cadmium. Now what happened? RCOR dash, this is a ketone group is formed. Additionally cadmium dichloride is also formed. Most important point, my dear students, in acetyl chloride only to give aldehyde group. This is the Rosemond reaction. Now here acid chloride easily to give the ketone with the help of the dialkyl cadmium or lithium dialkyl cuprate. This is commonly known as the Gilman's reagent. See here, 2CH3COCl. 2CH3COCl, this compound name is ethanoyl chloride, and treated with CH3 twice CD. This compound name is the dimethyl cadmium. Both of them held together and connected together, add together. What happened here? CH3COCH3, propanone, CH3, 2CH3COCH3, it's commonly known as the propanone, and additionally cadmium chloride is formed. And see one more example, 2C6H5COCl, this is benzyl chloride, and dimethyl cadmium, this is the dimethyl cadmium, and finally acetophenone is formed. Acetophenone and cadmium chloride is formed. So this is the most important, Nana. And one more key point in this reaction, dialkyl cadmium is prepared by the reaction of anhydride cadmium chloride with the Grignard reagent. How we will prepare this dialkyl cadmium Grignard reagent combinations with cadmium chloride? It's easily to prepare the dialkyl cadmium. This is the preparations method of aldehyde and ketone from acid chloride. The acid chloride only to prepare the aldehyde, that name is a Rosemond reduction. See here the 11th preparation methods of aldehyde and ketone. from nitriles. Only for aldehyde preparation. Only for aldehyde preparation. Generally, the name of this preparation method is a Stephan reduction process. What is the name? Stephan reduction process. See here, in this process, very important, an alkyl cyanide is dissolved in ether and reduced with stannous chloride and hydrochloric acid. The iminochloride is formed when hydrolysis with one water, finally aldehyde is obtained. See here, this is a alkyl cyanide. Alkyl cyanide treated with hydrogen in the presence of SnCl2 or HCl, ether 293 kelvins temperature pressure. Iminochloride is formed. This iminochloride again treated with water, finally boiling with water, aldehyde, additionally ammonium chloride is obtained. So this is the preparations of aldehyde with the help of the nitrile. This is commonly known as the Stephan reduction. So this is general representation equation, my dear students. Now see his example, acetonitrile. This compound name is the acetonitrile, 2H plus HCl. Now in the presence of same optimum condition, SnCl2, HCl or ether at 293 kelvins temperature. Now here important product is obtained, that is name is the acetaldehyde hydrochloride. This is the acetaldehyde hydrochloride, CH3 CH double bond NH HCl. This acetaldehyde hydrochloride, whenever boiling with water, finally CH3 CHO is formed. This is acetaldehyde, additionally ammonium chloride is formed. My dear students, in board level, CBSE board level point of view, they are asking directly explain the Stephan reduction preparation method of aldehyde. Stephan reduction preparation method of aldehyde. See here, this is Stephan reduction method is one more Stephan reduction method is there in aromatic aldehyde, but now this one the aliphatic aldehyde. So aliphatic aldehyde easily to prepare through the help of nitriles, that is name is a Stephan reduction process. These two examples are Stephan reduction process. What are the catalyst or chemicals are used? SnCl2, Sn stannous chloride and hydrochloric acid, and ethers at the presence of 293 kelvins temperature. Okay ma? Now see another important, this is 12th one, another preparation method. This is OXO process, only for aldehydes preparation. OXO process, 12th, number 12, OXO process only for aldehyde. This is commonly, OXO process also commonly known as carbonylation or hydroformylation. Carbonylation and hydroformylation. Hydroformylation. See here, it is an industrial important method for forming aldehydes and also called carbonylation or hydroformylation reaction. Under the influence of high temperature and pressure, an alkene reacted with carbon monoxide and hydrogen. Alkene reacted with carbon monoxide and hydrogen. You know this CO plus H2 combination is commonly known as the water gas. So in the presence of cobalt carbonyl which act as a catalyst. See my dear student, OXO process is a generally industrial preparations method of the aldehyde. This process, another name is a carbonylation or hydroformylation. Now see here, alkene, unsaturated hydrocarbon, alkene reacted with water gas. What is the water gas formula? CO plus H2, carbon monoxide plus hydrogen, mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen is called water gas. In the presence of the cobalt carbonyl is a catalyst and 373 kelvins immediately to form the aldehyde. These are the OXO process. OXO process is one of the important preparations of aldehyde in industrialization. Now my dear student, second one, next one, 13th one. Actually he put here 12th, but it is the 13th one. Now see here, Wacker process. See, Wacker process also very important in the preparations of aldehydes. This is recent method for the manufacturing of acetaldehyde. Write down this point. This is recent method for the manufacturing of the acetaldehyde from ethylene. both aldehyde and ketone can be prepared by this method. Write down this point, my dear student. Through Wacker's process, aldehydes and ketone, both of them easily to prepared, but this is a recently method for manufacturing of, especially if you prepare acetaldehyde, the best process is the Wacker's process. That's why, my dear students, this is a recent method for the manufacturing of acetaldehyde from ethylene. Both aldehyde and ketones can be prepared by this method. Alkenes are directly oxidized to their corresponding aldehyde and ketone by the treating with acidified aqua solution of palladium chloride and cupric chloride in the presence of oxygen and air. So now see here in this equation, Wacker's process equation, ethene, CH2 double bond, CH2, ethene combined with PDCl2, palladium dichloride, in the presence of water, a catalyst is CuCl2 and oxygen, acetaldehyde is formed. Additionally, palladium and hydrochloric acid also formed. Next, propene treated same equation, but here changed. Hydrocarbons are changed. In above ethene is there, down propene. Propene treated with PDCl2 H2O, acetone is formed. And most important point through Wacker's process, acetaldehyde form. So recently, whenever you will prepare acetaldehyde, this is a best preparation method. So I successfully completed general preparations methods of aldehydes and ketone. Now up to here, up to Wacker's process, I completed preparations of aliphatic aldehyde and aliphatic ketone. Now see another preparations method, preparations of aromatic aldehyde and aromatic ketone. These are the most important preparations of aromatic aldehyde and aromatic ketones are very important comparing to the previous preparations method. This aromatic aldehyde preparation method and aromatic ketone preparations methods are very important. Why? Because of in this category most important named reactions are coming. That's why you are seriously focused in this particular preparation methods of aromatic aldehyde and aromatic ketone. So first one, aromatic aldehyde. You know aromatic aldehyde how we will prepare. First one, by oxidations of toluene. See here, the oxidations of toluene is done with air or oxygen in the presence of vanadium pentoxide. Here vanadium pentoxide, V2O5, vanadium pentoxide at 623 kelvins to give benzaldehyde. So this is the toluene. You know that formed C6H5CH3, toluene in the presence of reacted with oxygen in the presence of here V2O5 I forgot here, write down V2O5 vanadium pentoxide. The temperature is a 623 kelvins temperature. Benzaldehyde is formed. Additionally, byproduct is water is also obtained. This is a preparations method of aromatic aldehyde. And another one is the Itard reaction. One more named reaction, Itard reaction. See my dear student, in the Itard reaction, listen very carefully, benzaldehyde can also be prepared in the laboratory by partial oxidations of the toluene with chromyl chloride. Itard reaction, very important reaction. Benzaldehyde, here also benzaldehyde is prepared, formed. Benzaldehyde can also be prepared in the laboratory by partial oxidation, not completed oxidation, by partial oxidations of the toluene with chromyl chloride. What is the formula of chromyl chloride? CrO2Cl2. Now what happened? This chromyl chloride dissolved in the presence of either CCl4 or CS2 is made to react with toluene in CS2 when a brown color product is formed. This is a brown color product. This brown color product again treated with water, finally benzaldehyde is formed. So named reactions are most important. See, this name is a Itard reaction. In the Itard reaction, benzaldehyde is easily to prepare by the partial oxidations in the presence of the chromyl chloride. See here, this is the toluene and this is a chromyl chloride, and with the help of CCl4 or CS2, carbon disulfide, now a brown color complex is formed. This brown color complex again treated with water, finally benzaldehyde is formed. See my dear students, and this is the Itard reaction, most important Itard reaction, and one more named reactions are there here. This is also very important, Getterman-Koch aldehyde synthesis. Getterman-Koch named reactions, already I said named reactions are very important. Getterman-Koch aldehyde reaction. See here, aldehyde synthesis, Getterman-Koch aldehyde synthesis. See now, benzene here, benzene is converted into benzaldehyde by passing a mixture of carbon monoxide and HCl gas under high pressure into ether solution. Here ether, under high pressure into ether solution of benzene is presence of anhydride aluminum chloride and cuprous chloride. This is the formalization of the benzene. See my dear students, now here this is the benzene, carbon monoxide, additionally HCl in the presence of AlCl3, write down here AlCl3 or Cu2Cl2, copper chloride, and now benzaldehyde is formed, additionally HCl also released. So this is a Getterman-Koch aldehyde synthesis process. Named reaction, again I'll say named reactions are most important. In these preparations of aromatic aldehyde, already two named reactions are came. In aliphatic category, OXO process and Wacker process also came. Itard reactions are very important, and similarly Getterman-Koch reactions also most important. See Nana, this is a benzene, carbon monoxide, HCl. Here write down anhydride AlCl3, Cu2Cl2. Now finally benzaldehyde is obtained. One more named reaction from the aromatic aldehyde preparations method, Stephen reduction. Already Stephen reduction name already came in the aliphatic aldehyde preparation method, that is from nitrile. Now here also Stephen reductions is came. This is aromatic aldehyde. Now in this Stephen reduction, benzaldehyde is obtained by the partial reduction of phenyl cyanide, with stannous chloride and passing dry HCl gas in ether solution, followed by the hydrolysis of the aldimine stannic chloride with water. This is a Stephen reduction. My dear student, through Stephen reduction, aliphatic aldehydes are prepared, and also aromatic aldehyde also prepared. Especially in aromatic aldehyde, what are the chemical combination? Now see here, phenyl cyanide. This is a phenyl cyanide in the presence of HCl combination, SnCl to ether, aldimine complex is formed. This aldimine complex again treated with water, finally benzaldehyde is formed. So in the Stephen reduction, aliphatic aldehydes are prepared, also aromatic aldehyde also prepared. This is another preparations method from aromatic aldehyde. The named reaction, again I will say named reactions are most important. Already here three named reactions are came: Itard reaction, Getterman-Koch reaction, and one more reaction is the Stephen reaction, especially in the preparations method of aromatic aldehyde. And one more familiar named reaction, very familiar named reaction, Riemann-Tiemann reaction. Put in your star marks here in your notebook. Riemann-Tiemann reactions are very important. Riemann-Tiemann reaction. See Nana, in the Riemann-Tiemann reaction, hydroxybenzaldehyde are obtained. Very important. Hydroxybenzaldehydes are obtained by heating the phenol with chloroform. And in the presence of alkali such as NaOH, the optimum condition temperature 343 Kelvin. See Nana, in the Riemann-Tiemann reaction, hydroxybenzaldehydes are prepared through combinations of chloroform with phenol. Now see here, this is the phenol. Now CHCl3 chloroform, additionally NaOH by 343 Kelvin's temperature. Now this compound name is salsaldehyde. And another name is orthohydroxybenzaldehyde. This is a major product and neat bit in Riemann-Tiemann reaction. Phenol, whenever treated with chloroform in the presence of alkali, what are the major product? Most important bit in NEET level, which is the major product here? Orthohydroxybenzaldehyde is a major product and para-hydroxybenzaldehyde is a minor product. So two different type of the position, different position benzaldehyde is formed. This salcialdehyde or another name is a orthohydroxybenzaldehyde. This is a para-hydroxybenzaldehyde. Now my question, my dear student, in the Riemer-Tiemann reaction, if the phenol involved in the reactions with chloroform in the presence of NaOH, what are the products are obtained? Number one is a orthohydroxybenzaldehyde, first one, and para-hydroxybenzaldehyde. In these two, out of these two product, orthohydroxybenzaldehyde is the major product. Okay, ma'am? These are the preparations method of aromatic aldehyde. Now we are going to discuss aromatic ketones. Only one preparation method is there, Friedel-Crafts acylation process. This is also very important. Friedel-Crafts acylation process. Through Friedel-Crafts acylation process, aromatic ketones are prepared. See here, acetyl chloride reacted with benzene. Acetyl chloride reacted with benzene in the presence of anhydride AlCl3. It's nothing but Lewis acid to form acetophenone. See, my dear students, benzene, acetyl chloride in the presence of anhydride AlCl3, acetophenone, additionally HCl is formed. And one more, see, benzene, benzyl chloride, this is a benzene, benzyl chloride, in the presence of anhydride AlCl3, diphenyl ketone is formed. This is another name is a benzophenone. Diphenyl ketone or another name is the benzophenone, additionally HCl. And one more example, see, my dear students, benzene treated with carbonyl chloride, this is a carbonyl chloride, and two benzene treated with carbonyl chloride in the presence of AlCl3, benzophenone is formed. Additionally 2HCl is obtained. Now one more important, by dry distillation of calcium salt, of aromatic acid, easily to prepare the aromatic ketone. See now, calcium benzoate, this is a calcium benzoate. In the calcium benzoate, under heating, easily to prepare benzophenone. It's nothing but aromatic ketones, additionally CaCO3. Okay, my dear students, I successfully completed in my last, including this video, last two videos, the last two videos. This videos is the only for preparations method of aldehydes and ketone. In my next class, I will be continue physical properties of aldehyde and ketones and chemical properties of aldehyde and ketones. Okay, ma?